welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the Sephora box, and we recently just did the Ipsy box, which went surprisingly well. I liked every single product, and usually I don't like any of them. So let's see how this one goes this month. So again, in every box we get this huge pamphlet which describes every single product in your box. I used to just throw these away, but now I find them extremely helpful while I go through it. So starting with skincare as always. Wait, so before we get into the skincare, we have to talk about the bag. And let's see. So in this month's bag it says make it snappy. I think it's really cute but really plain. I'm really not liking this green ribbon along with the purple font color. It's not really my thing. I don't really like this bag this time, but again, the products are what matters the most. So we're going to start with our first skincare product, and when I opened this, I was so excited to get this. So this is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. I've just wanted to try these Drunk Elephant products for so long, but they are just so expensive, and I didn't want to spend the money. So I'm really excited to put this in the bag this month. It has 25% AHA and 2% BHA. So it says it's an at-home facial that sweeps away dead skin cells with professional grade ingredients. This AHA and BHA packed mask delivers expert exfoliation with a cocktail of acids that gently renew, tone, and clarify even the most sensitive skin without irritation. So let's just test it out on our hands here. Come on. Okay. So I didn't want to waste it because I really want to use this, but it does come out with this little yellow tint. It feels really nice on the skin, so I'm really excited to try this one. Another mask. What the heck? So for our next product, we got another mask. It is the Purity Pore Extractor Exfoliating Clay Mask. It's so cute. It looks like that. So this is a rich and creamy clay mask that removes blackheads, exfoliates skin, and warms as it deep cleans for visible, clearer skin and a luxurious experience. Alright, so it also says for a tip, for deeper exfoliation, massage into the skin a little longer before letting it dry. So I'm really excited to try this one. So the Drunk Elephant mask would be a little bit moisturizing, whereas the Purity one is going to be a little bit more heavy duty. This also does say it is an acne treatment, so if you do feel like you may be breaking out or whatever, this may be a perfect one for you to try. Okay, so that was all for the skincare, but before moving on to the makeup, we're going to quickly talk about the Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. So it just looks like this. So this says it is a gentle, weightless shampoo and conditioner duo that adds shine and volume while keeping your style fresh longer. So there's usually only 5 products within each bag, but this month they gave us a little extra on which was the shampoo and conditioner. Usually I really don't like to stray away from the shampoo and conditioner that I currently use. Right now I use the Hair Foods and I just get it from Target, but I really like it just because it's dye-free, it's sulfate-free, it's paraben-free, just literally anything you can think of. It even says it's gluten-free, so I don't know what that means for shampoo, but it sounded good, so I got it. So this one does say it's color safe and silicone-free. Doesn't say it's gluten-free though. Also, the shampoo is sulfate-free, so if you do have colored hair, it is safe for you to use both of these. I will give these a try just because I got them, and I'll let you know if I like them in the next Sephora box. Okay, now moving on to the fun part, which is the makeup. So in my bag, I got 2 makeup products, which happen to be both lip products. Oh, just kidding, we have 3. So before we move on to the lip products, we do have this primer by Peter Thomas Roth. It is the Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. That's a lot of words, okay. So this primer does seem right up my alley. I do like mattifying primers, I like blurring primers, and any primer that stays, it's gonna just make you look flawless with no pores. I'm all for that. So let's just test this out on the hands. I hate these little sticky things. Okay. So right when I put this on, it does remind me of the Professional primer, which is the one I use. It looks exactly the same. You know what? I don't think you guys can see that, so let me just put it a little bit more. Okay, so you can see there, it's just your skin color. It does have that silicone kind of feel to it, which will blur out your pores. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna like this one. However, it feels kind of greasy. Hold on, maybe because I put that mask on it. Let me try it on this hand. Okay, no, it's just because I had that mask on that hand. So it does not feel greasy. It does feel just very similar to the Professional one. Dries super quickly, so I'm really excited to try this one as well. So far, 4 for 4, and let's see if these lip products pass the test. So moving on. So our first lip product is by the Sephora brand, and it is in the color The Red. So let's, oh. They're not playing with this color. This is extremely red, like Christmas red, so. Ooh. It seems creamy, but it seems kind of matte at the same time. Satin. It is a satin finish. There you go. So, you can see, feels really nice on the skin. I'm not really someone that wears red lips on the daily, but I think this would be a really, really nice color just to have for the holidays or for like a special event. But I mean, if you're someone that really likes to wear red all the time, I think this little guy is the way to go. It says it is a highly pigmented creamy lipstick in a fire engine red shade, which is spot on. For our final lip product, we have this Urban Decay Hi-Fi. So for our final product, we have this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. So this is just a very pink, sparkly lip gloss, and I'm really excited. Oh my god. This is a dream. So these sparkles are just very iridescent. It has these like purple, pink reflexes in them. So pretty. Okay, and it is in the shade SPL. So cute. So currently on my lips, I do have Anastasia Beverly Hills in Pure Hollywood. And then over that, I just have the KKW lip gloss, and it's just in the nude shade. So I'm just going to put this one over and see how this looks. Oh my god. So pretty. I mean, you can wear this however you want. You could wear it over your favorite lipstick like I did, or you can wear it alone. Even with like a really bright purple or pink, and then you put this over it, I think it would look so pretty. So I think out of the whole box, I love this one. Just kidding. I love these two the best. So overall, I really like every single product again, which is a first. I've never liked every single product in both the Ipsy and the Sephora box in 1 month. So that is huge. But if I had to pick my 2 favorites out of this entire box, it would be these guys. It would be the Drunk Elephant facial mask and then the High Shine Urban Decay lip gloss. Alright you guys, so that was all for the Sephora box this month. And if you like this video, please hit that little like button down below, and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. Also, if you want to know exactly when I post my videos, go ahead and push that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. So while you're there, just click both of them. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys would like to see from me next. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!